start to do the cleanup on the char air cooler on the propane engine. This is the propane engine motor, MTU motor. This is the char air cooler who supply the air directly to the combustion of the motor. To do that, we had to unassemble this pipe here, and the other side is the same because the air cooler has two ports, two for each side. One is side, two ports on each side, two ports by the west side. But with our method, we connect the hoses in both port in one side and both port in the other side. But when you need to remove the air cooler from the engine, you have to disconnect this 4 pipe. You need to disconnect the air cooler from the bracket to the engine. You need to remove the hook, the exhaust pipes in both sides. You need to remove in both sides all these bolts. Disconnect the electrical plug right here. In the other side, you have to disconnect all bolts too. And outside, you have to disconnect the grip in this side, and the same in the other side. After that, you remove the roof and take the crane in the shop and remove the roof cover. When everything is ready on ensemble, you put the air cooler in some truck, send to the workshop to repair, clean up, and doing everything there. After that, the air cooler come back and the engine stay out of service several days, sometimes several months. But with our method, we disconnect everything and we will show you before the start how is the condition of the air cooler. We will working to the other side because we already have disconnect everything in the other side. Everything, the both port, the top and the bottom ports. This is the propane engine. As we tell you, we already disconnect the top pipe and the bottom pipe. And you will see now inside the air cooler how this one is. This is not professional video, but you can see the condition of the air cooler inside. This is the top side, and in the bottom side you can see something too. But as you will see, it's difficult to use the phone to take a video or some picture inside the air cooler. But we already have the camera with a long lens, and we try to get the better video and better picture inside the air cooler. Right now, the other side is already open, and we will see how is the air cooler inside. The wall is too much oil. We see a small part of carbon inside the cooler, but it's difficult to get the good video inside with the phone. It's for that we will use the camera with long lens.